In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use TIKR terminal cash flow analysis. We'll walk through getting to a company's cash flow statement and talk about what you're seeing, so the numbers make intuitive sense. The cash flow statement is where you confirm how much real cash a business generates, where that cash goes, and whether operations can fund growth and shareholder returns. It complements the income statement and balance sheet by stripping out non-cash items and focusing on actual money moving in and out. Start by logging in to TIKR Terminal. Once you're in, look for the search bar at the top and type a stock ticker, for example, AAPL. As you type, TIKR will surface matching results. Select the listing that matches the company you want to analyze and open the company page. This page is your hub for everything about the business, and it's a good place to quickly confirm you're on the right name and exchange before you dive into the financials. Next, head to the Financials tab. Inside Financials, choose Cash Flow Statement. This brings up the company's cash flow data, typically organized by period. Depending on your default settings, you might see annual or quarterly figures, but the structure will be the same. Here's how to read what's in front of you. At the top is cash flow from operating activities. This section starts with net income and adjusts for non-cash items like depreciation, plus changes in working capital. A consistently positive and growing operating cash flow generally signals a healthy core business. Below that is cash flow from investing activities. This is where you'll see capital expenditures and acquisitions. It's common for this section to be negative because companies invest in future growth, but the key is whether those outflows are productive and supported by operations. The final section is cash flow from financing activities, which captures how the company raises and returns capital. Issuing or repaying debt, issuing shares, buybacks, and dividends all appear here. Large financing inflows or outflows can indicate shifts in capital structure or capital allocation priorities. At the bottom, you'll see the net change in cash and the reconciliation to beginning and ending cash balances. That tie-out helps validate that everything adds up. As you review, pay attention to trends across periods. Is operating cash flow covering capital expenditures, leaving room for buybacks or dividends? Are big swings in working capital temporarily boosting or dragging cash flow? That's it. Log in, search the ticker, open the company page, go to Financials, and select Cash Flow Statement. With this view, you can quickly assess the quality and sustainability of a company's cash generation.